Welcome to Flavortown. We are opening the gates of our food-loving town and inviting some of the most talented chefs to the tastiest town on earth to showcase their skills in our never-ending list of off-the-hook restaurants. Flavortown is real. Both of you have a shot at earning bonus money if you can incorporate items from the restaurant's upsell menu in your dinner. Neither one of the chefs are using the brown rice, which is really surprising to me, for $1,500.
I have this beautiful lamb fat with butter. I don't want to throw it away. Ding, ding, ding.
You got brown rice coming out. This is a risky move, but one that I like.
I don't know why you would start putting it on so late. Maybe he's got some amazing trick.
I put the toasted brown rice, lamb fat, butter over the lamb.
Chef's plates up front. We are done with service. We are done with service.